In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post videos on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more quick social media tips. It really does help at the channel. Now here on Facebook, videos are often posted as Reels. Here's how you can upload one. Begin by opening up the Facebook app and tapping on the home screen icon down in the bottom left to get to the home page. Up at the top where it says what's on your mind, there's going to be this little photo icon next to it. Tap on that and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. From here, just select the video that you want to go ahead and upload and then tap next. Now once the video opens, go ahead and tap the little edit icon right here, and then you can edit the video or edit the cover or do necessarily whatever you would like. You can also add music, text, and other different effects. When you're done, simply just exit out of that again. And from here, you just have to go ahead and write a caption for your video if you'd like. You can also change the audience. You can put an AI label on it. There's so much you can do. You can also switch it to just friends instead of posting it on everybody's feeds. And whenever you're ready, simply just go ahead and tap post now. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.